Hello and a very good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to today's market updates. Edmund here. So it's been a while since I did an audio market outlook. So sorry for my absence for the last couple of weeks. So for today, Wednesday, 3rd of March 2021, in terms of the economic calendar, we will be having services PMI data as a main focus tonight. And also towards the evening, we will be having the ADP, non-farm employment change data coming out from the US at 9:15 p.m. local Malaysia time. Of course, in terms of the services purchasing managers index data, we will be having those data coming out from Europe, such as Spain, Italy, Germany, the Eurozone, and also from the UK. So this will be quite general data. I believe this set of economic data will impact the European currencies, such as the UK pound, the euro dollar, and possibly the Swiss franc towards the afternoon at about 3 p.m. onwards until 5 p.m. And towards the evening, we will be looking at the ADP non-farm employment change data, which is expected to come in higher at 203,000 jobs created in the month of February compared to 174,000 jobs created in the month of January. So, for those who are trading the US WTI, West Texas Instrument Oil prices, and also the UK Brent prices, pay attention to the 11:30 p.m. data tonight, the crude oil inventories numbers. So, of course, towards the evening, the ISM Institute of Supply Management Services PMI data will also have a impact on the US dollar and also on major currency pairs together with gold prices. So for the evening session, expect markets to be active from 8 p.m. onwards, local Malaysia time. So let us move on to market action. So the US dollar index finally broke through a 2 days bullish trend on Tuesday, moving down from 91.395 to close near the low of 90.735 levels. So as gold prices, as the US dollar started to weaken, we could see gold prices and other major currency pairs, of course, strengthening at the same time. So let us move on to the MT4 charts. So again, here we are looking at the US dollar index. Again, the US dollar index shows us whether the US dollar is strengthening or weakening against a basket of major currencies. So one of the major currency pairs that is reflected is actually the UK pound. So first of all, let us have a look at the US dollar index again. The US dollar index, this is the 1 hour chart. So we can see that this was yesterday. Okay, and of course, yesterday is Tuesday. This was Monday, this was last Friday, and this was last Thursday. So as of last Thursday, the US dollar has been bullish, moving up from 89.66 levels, followed by followed by last Friday, again pushing up to a high of 90.94. And as of Monday, it formed a very nice support here and moved further up to 91.11. So on Tuesday, the Asian trading sessions, the morning sessions, touched a high of 91.40 levels, roughly at about 11 plus 6, this is 17, which is 5 p.m. local Malaysia time. And after that, it break through this, um, started to break through this bullish trend line. Okay, so as it starts to break, the sentiment has become generally bearish. So true enough, throughout the evening, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hours until about 2 a.m. on a Wednesday, the US dollar index weakened all the way down to 90.740 levels. So again, the key here is US dollar weakening from about officially it's about 1200 hours, 6 p.m. Malaysia time. So as the US dollar weakened, we could see number one, the the UK pound started to strengthen. Okay, so the UK pound started to strengthen at the same time also, 12 plus 6. If you're in Malaysia, you add 6 hours to this FX primer server time of 1200 hours. 12 plus 6 is 18. So again, this is 6 p.m. local Malaysia time yesterday, rising from 1.3862. First push was a 61 pip push up, and the second push pushed up another 50 pips or so to a high of 1.3972. So there was a total of 110 pips push up. Okay, so yeah, so the key here again is to identify the behavior of the US dollar. Uh, um, so as the US dollar weakened, we could see the UK pound strengthening. Okay, and of course, we do see the euro dollar also strengthening at about the same time, 12 plus 6, 18, 6 p.m., rising from 1.2005 all the way to a high of 1.2092. Okay, so the euro currency strengthened about 87 pips against the US dollar. Not to forget gold prices. Gold prices also was bearish since last Thursday from a high of 1,801 on last Thursday to yesterday morning's low of 1,707. Okay, after that, it did not spike up immediately. It was a slow and gradual rise from 1711 to a high of 1735, and of course, pushed back down again during the US market sessions before rising again to a high of 1738. Okay, so um, yeah, so that was the move of the of the markets yesterday. Of course, using the um, US dollar as a benchmark. Okay, so I hope you guys have a, a good trading day again. Have a good trading day ahead, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow for more market updates and also for more market insights. Thank you. Have a good day, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Thank you.